Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a new chapter from our Marigold book of class 3. The chapter name is A Little Fish Story. So let's start reading this chapter. There are a great many million fish in the seas.
There are a great many million fish in the seas.
But this story is about just one of them.
But this story is about just one of them.
And a very small one at that.
And a very small one at that.
Now this little fish had everything in the seas
Now this little fish had everything in the seas
to make him contented.
to make him contented.
But he was not happy.
But he was not happy.
You will laugh
You will laugh
when I tell you why he was not.
when I tell you why he is not.
He was unhappy
He was unhappy
because he was so very small.
because he was so very small.
It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish,
It is very hard to be such a little mind of a fish.
he would say
He would say
over and over again.
over and over again,
If I were only larger,
if I were only larger,
how much happier I could be.
how much happier I would be.
And he said it so many times
And he said it so many times
that I think he believed it.
that I think he believed it.
One day he was swimming
One day he was swimming
along with the rest of his school
along with the rest of his school
and thinking,
and
no doubt,
no doubt,
how much more the larger fish
how much more the larger fish
had to be thankful for than he.
had to be thankful for them.
When suddenly,
When suddenly,
with no warning,
with no warning,
they found themselves
they found themselves
in the message of a great net.
in the meshes of the great net.
There was much floundering and splashing
There was much floundering
as the net was drawn up out of the water
as the net was drawn up out the water
into the sunlight,
into the sunlight,
and just as its howl was being
and just as howl and being
into the boat,
into the boat,
the smallest fish in the school wriggled
the smallest fish was
through the mess
to the mess
and slipped back into the cool, clear water.
and slipped back into the cool, clear water.
How good it felt!
How good it felt!
He swam here and there
He swam here and there
and everywhere,
and everywhere,
and some of the fish
and some of the fish
who knew him well
who knew him well
all the rest of his life
all the rest of his life
said that they never again heard him,
said that they never again heard him,
said that he wished to be anything
said that he wished to be anything
but a little fish.
but a little fish.
Enos B. Comstock.
Enos B. Comstock.
New words:
New words:
million,
million,
floundering,
floundering,
masses,
masses,
howl,
howl,
contented,
connected,
splashing,
splashing,
emptied,
emptied,
wriggled,
wriggled,
warning,
warning.
reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
1.
One.
How many fish are there in the sea?
How many fish are there in the sea?
2.
Two.
Why were the little fish unhappy?
Why was the little fish unhappy?
3.
Three.
What happened to the fish one day?
What happened to the fish one day?
4. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish?
Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish?
Talk time.
Talk time.
1.
One.
Imagine you are a little fish.
Imagine you are a little fish.
Describe what you might
Describe what you might
see around you.
see around you.
2.
Two.
In your class,
In your class,
talk about the time you were caught
talk about the time you were caught
doing something
doing something
you were not supposed to do.
you were not supposed to do.
You can discuss in your own language
You can discuss in your own language
as well as in English.
as well as in English.
Word building.
Word building.
1.
One.
Look at the pattern
Look at the pattern
and fill in the blanks.
and fill in the blanks.
Look,
Look,
looked,
looked,
pick,
pick,
blank,
blank,
bark,
bark,
blank,
blank,
want,
want,
blank,
blank,
talk,
talk,
blank,
blank,
wish,
wish,
blank,
blank,
pull,
pull,
blank,
blank,
help,
help,
blank.
blank.
Fill in the blanks
Fill in the blanks
with the right word from the box.
with the right word from the box.
Paper, flowers, water, matches, cows, wolves. A glass of blank,
A glass of blank.
a box of blank, a seat of blank,
A seat of blank.
a bunch of blank,
A bunch of blank.
a heart of blank,
A heart and blank.
a pack of blank.
A pack of blank.
Let's write.
Let's write.
Look at the following sentence.
Look at the following sentence.
If I were only larger,
If I were only larger,
how much happier I could be.
how much happier I could be.
Make more sentences like this
Make more sentences like this
using the words in the box.
using the words in the box.
Taller,
Taller,
thinner,
thinner,
smaller, cleverer, younger,
younger,
older.
older.
1.
One.
If I were only blank,
If I were only blank,
how much happier I could be.
how much happier I could be.
2.
Two.
If I were only
If I were only
blank,
blank,
say aloud,
say aloud,
blunder,
blunder,
wander,
wander,
thunder,
thunder,
plunder,
plunder,
flounder.
flounder.
Song time,
Sometime
singing or crying.
singing or crying.
Jova sings a little song, Thanga looks at him. Why are you crying, Jova? He asks. Jova says, I'm not crying, I'm singing an English song. I am singing an English song. I'm singing an English song. Choose the right words.
Choose the right words.
1.
One.
Jova sings a blank,
Joe sings a blank,
long
long,
or
or
little
little
song.
songs.
2.
Two.
Thanga, blank,
Blank
looks
looks
or
or
shouts
shouts
at him.
at him.
3.
Three.
Thanga sings Jova is
Tanga thinks Jova is
blank,
blank,
crying
crying,
or
or
laughing.
laughing.
4.
Four.
Jova is blank,
Jova is blank,
singing
singing
or
or
saying
saying
a song.
a song.
5.
Five.
The song is in blank,
The song is in blank,
major,
Mizo,
blank,
blank,
English.
English.
Unit 4.
Unit 4.
Teacher's page.
Teacher's page.
Themes.
Theme.
Water,
Water,
sea and sounds.
sea and sounds.
The importance of water in our lives.
The importance of water in our lives.
Life in the sea.
Life in the sea.
Suggestions for classroom teaching.
Suggestions for classroom teaching.
Read the poem aloud.
Read the poem aloud.
Encourage the children to recite the poem
Encourage the children to recite the poem
with appropriate actions and gestures.
with appropriate actions and textures.
Help children to find rhyming words
Help children to find rhyming words
and opposites.
and opposites.
Explain the difficult words in the text.
Explain the difficult words in the text.
Let the children try to say
Let the children try to say
the tongue twister,
the tongue twister,
sea cells,
sea cells,
aloud as clearly as they can.
aloud as clearly as they can.
These and some more like
These and some more like
shoes and socks, socks, Syam.
shoes and some socks of Syam.
Bring back buttons,
Bring back buttons,
beans and buns,
beans and buns,
etc.
etc.
Can be said quite slowly
Can be said quite slowly
at first,
at first,
and the speed can be increased later.
and the speed can be increased later.
Encourage the children to make different sounds.
Encourage the children to make different sounds.
The story can be read aloud
The story can be read aloud
with expression and gestures.
with expression and gesture.
The children can be given ideas and opportunities
The children can be given ideas and opportunities
to express themselves.
to express themselves.
Word building can become an interesting game
Word building can become an interesting game
as children practice correct pronunciation
as children practice correct pronunciation
and build up words.
and build up words.
You can talk about disaster management
You can talk about disaster management
as in the case of accidents,
as the case of accidents,
floods,
floods,
fire
fires,
and earthquakes.
and earthquakes.
What are the safety measures to be taken?
What are the safety measures to be taken?
How can we help victims?
How can we help victims?
Introduce terms like tsunami,
Introduce terms like tsunami.
Let them talk about stories
Let them talk about stories.
they have heard about the tsunami,
They have heard about the tsunami,
earthquakes,
earthquakes,
etc.
etc.
Ask the children
Ask the children
whether they eat fish.
whether they eat fish.
Tell them about the different kinds of fish in the sea
Tell them about the different kinds of fish in the sea
and other water animals,
and other water animals,
big and small,
big and small,
and about their life underwater.
and about their life underwater.
This unit can introduce the important issue of
This unit can introduce the important issue of
water pollution
water pollution
by man
by man
and its harmful effects on sea life.
and its harmful effects on sea life.